Pasok dyan. So what's up vlog? So nandito lang sa Fig Tree. Ayan, ito yung kanilang 10 commandments and evacuation plan. So basahin parate. So as usual, naka-top card pa rin, no? For only 2,000 pesos for one night and good for 2 packs. Next natin, agad-agad nandito na yung ating toilet and bath. Yung typical natin na toilet, lavatory, mayroong malaking mirror. So what's up? Subscribe, comment, and nandito yung ating tub, and hot and cold. Then they provide also shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Yan. Yung tiles naman is from floor to ceiling, mayroong exhaust. Basta, overall maganda naman yung ano. Actually, it is our last day, no? Meron tayo ng no smoking detector, so no smoking po. Then meron tayong fixtures dito. Ayan, merong lightings hanggang doon. Ayan, so excuse lang yung mga gamit natin. Ang pinamaganda po sa mga hotel na pupuntahan kapag merong available na tubig, merong dispenser sa labas na malamig. So no need to buy one. Very helpful, especially pag naiinom ka parati ng tubig. Then TV, I think that's 32 inches. Ito yung maganda, no? Ayan. Mukhang malaki yung room kasi napakalapad ng bintana. Ang harap po natin is yung District 21. Dito mismo yung entrance. Then meron tayong mga parking dyan sa labas. Although limited lang, pero pwede naman mag-parking on the roads. Then meron ditong sa kabila parang pantry and maraming mga foods dito around the area. Yan. At yung SM doon lamang, no? Pwedeng sumakay ng taxi or tricycle for 15 pesos. Then meron tayong hangiran, lalagayin si babaw. Aircon, medayang aircon. Yan. Meron tayong dalawang ano ba? Side lamp, telephone, side tables, ayan. At pinamaganda, comfortable naman yung bed. Ayan. At may kasama kang magandang asawa.